Understanding, I miscalculated, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, I miscalculated. This is a common expression in English, used in various contexts. Understanding it can really help in your day-to-day English conversations. So, let's dive in. I miscalculated means that someone made an error in judgment or estimation. It's not just about numbers or math. It can apply to any situation where an expectation or plan didn't work out as intended. It's an admission of a mistake, but it often carries a light or casual tone. Personal situations. Here, I miscalculated might refer to misjudging time, effort, or outcomes. For example, if someone thought they had enough time to get to an appointment but ended up being late, they might say, I miscalculated how long it would take to get there. Professional settings. In work environments, this phrase can refer to errors in planning, forecasting, or decision-making. It's a professional way of acknowledging a mistake without sounding too formal or grave. Mathematical and scientific contexts. Here, the term is used more literally, referring to an incorrect calculation in a mathematical or scientific setting. Let's look at some examples. 1. I thought it would only take a day to complete this project, but I miscalculated. 2. Looking back, I miscalculated the impact of my decision on the team. 3. I miscalculated the ingredients, and now the cake tastes a bit strange. These sentences show how versatile and useful the phrase can be in everyday communication. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few. I misjudged. I underestimated. I overestimated. I got it wrong. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different nuances. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, I miscalculated, and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning, and knowing how to express them is a key step in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.